Hello everyone, this is Derek once again from Video Lifestyle. Today I'm very excited to show you a camcorder from Sony. Now this is a ultra small size compact palm camcorder. It's the HXR NX30. Now it's not weatherproof, but it does have GPS geotagging built in. Now let me show you more and how interesting this camcorder is. First up is, if you notice this camcorder, it reminds you very much, when the MC50 was around. And it is around the same size. It's small, it's very nifty, and it's really a fantastic, it can be used as a crash camera, Now you'll notice very distinctly first the ultra wide lens hood. Now it's a very strange lens hood really. It's not, bayonet mounted or anything like that, so you can't turn it, but if you look at it from the front, it says release and lock in front, and you have to go to release to unscrew this particular lens hood. Now, why do you remove the lens hood? Is because if you want to use a wide conversion lens, you will need to remove the lens hood. Now, Sony has supplied you an adapter which you can screw on, and you would need to use this adapter if you want to use a wide conversion lens. So let me tell you a little bit more about this camcorder. It does come with a professional audio XLR handle, and this allows you 2 channels of input. And of course, this is, as you can see, it is you can remove it. You don't need to have it mounted all the time. And sometimes, if you want to sort of use the camcorder more inconspicuously, you can remove this XLR unit. There you are, and this is how it looks if you have it actually fitted on. But if you remove the XLR or audio handle, you can also record audio through the onboard microphones. It has a zoom onboard microphone built in. So this is actually very important because just in case you want to use the camcorder without the professional XLR handle. The NX30 shoots in all the different HD flavors, so if you purchase your camcorder from Singapore, for example, it shoots in 50p to 50i, 25p in progressive. Now it sports a 1/2.88 inch XMOS CMOS sensor. It's back illuminated, so it's supposed to give you better, of course, better low light illumination shooting, and of course that is already proven in most of the other camcorders before this. The HXR NX30 sports a 10x optical zoom Carl Zeiss lens, and it's 10x optical zoom, and at the same time up to 17 times extended zoom. Of course, we're not really crazy about that part. The built-in flash memory is 96 gigabytes, and that allows you in the full resolution to shoot all the way up to 170 minutes. Of course, it has also the built-in slot where you can insert, of course, a memory stick as well as SDHC as well as SDXC. Now, since I've got the LCD screen flipped open, you can have a look. It's got the HDMI and a USB connection. Wow, okay, so this electronic viewfinder is actually pretty smart, because you can see in order to power up the camera, all you have to do is pull this out, and that was like the previous Sony camcorders as well. They adopted this, but this is one thing new. You can see it tilts up. The NX30, of course, has a 3-inch LCD screen, LCD panel. It's touch screen, so you can generally touch. This is nothing new. It is pretty similar to all the other camcorders that Sony pushes out today. It allows you to shoot also in night shot mode. Now, I'm going to come to the very interesting features of this camcorder. That's really something to talk about. So just stay tuned. So what is really fantastic about the NX30 is the optical image stabilizing system. Now, Sony has called it the balanced image stabilizer. Now, if you were to actually take a closer look right over here, I've got the camera turned on, you will see that the entire focusing system or the lens is almost floating individually on its own. It's isolated from the camera. And I'm going to see when I turn on this particular feature and run and record with it, we're just going to see how the results are. This is an example of the image stabilizer turned on the NX30. And I'm going to take the same shot. Now this is the result of the stabilizer turned off. So when you want to take a shot of yourself or mount the NX30 on a tripod, Sony has supplied you actually a remote controller that you can use with the camcorder. Yes, one very interesting feature about the HXR NX30 is that it has a built-in video light and flash. The switch or the button that you find turning on the light or the video light is right behind the LCD panel, and if you see right over there, the video light is right over there, and if I turn this on, there you are, and turn it off, so you can see it is quite a bright LED video light. It also acts as a flash, of course. If you're in still mode, if you're taking stills, it also acts as a photo flash. And the other thing that is unusual about this camera is that it has a built-in projector. A built-in projector that projects up to even 100 inches. So it's great because you can be taking you'll be taking your footages and everything, and you can share it with everybody, share all your rushes with everybody, and project it. The button again is found behind the LCD panel. All you need to do is just activate it, turn it on, and once it brings you to there you are. I don't know if you can see clearly, but I'm projecting on this Sony Handycam paperback right now. The focusing for the projector is on the LCD panel itself, so I'm just now focusing. There you are. So if you actually zoom in, you can see that there you have it. So the HXR NX30 with a built-in projector, quite interesting. Of course, you can still play back your footages on the LCD screen if you don't want to project. So again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Derek aka Video Cobra from Video Lifestyle. Another review on the HXR Sony NX30. Bye bye, see you again.